Hobby Lobby. Except it's Tuesday, it ain't Monday. I forgot to stop in here yesterday. Matter of fact, I don't even know if they were open. With it being a holiday. Just got off work. Figure I'll swing by here. Also, y'all go check your Kroger's. They're getting Honda sweepstakes. 144 count shippers with J case again. So you never know what you might find in those. So go hit your Kroger's up. Also, Toys R Us is getting P case. So if you have a Toys R Us, hit them up too. Thursday the 8th, this Thursday, they have a release date for these P cases, just like they did the N cases. Except my store's loaded with cars, so I doubt they'll get any. This some new stuff. That's new. 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 Those are old. Also, if you didn't know, on a Hobby Lobby price tag, see that 5 and that 6? That means that it was received on May 2016. August 2016, November 2015, or January 2015. Yeah, it'd be November. Anyway, this stuff's been here for a while. They finally put the Johnny Lightnings up. You know, those baskets on the top shelf. I looked in those one day about a month ago when I figured out that it was finally going to start carrying Johnny Lightning, and there was those two in there. Same stuff. There's 3 of those. No freaking way. Oh my god, I haven't found a white Lightning in so long. Hell yeah. I have found a lot of white Lightnings, but that's the first one I found since they started making them again. Same stuff. They had a sealed case of these sitting on the floor a few weeks ago. Girl opened it up for me. No chase. I don't even know what the chase would be. I am stoked on this. Heck yeah. White Lightning Camaro. Heck yeah. Everything else same old, same old. Good God, I cannot tell y'all how many times I've recorded a video in Hobby Lobby and I've posted a whole, what, 4 of them? 3, 4, 5. Nothing in those, I don't believe. Anyway, short video. Hope y'all got the little tip at the beginning of the video about Toys R Us. Hobby Lobby, score, baby. Alright, y'all know what to do. Go check your cars. Hit them up. Do your homework. Later.